want to go in the water now? Of course not. Now that I have the camera, you don't want to go in the water. That's the way it goes. Yeah, I'm going to go over there. Good boy, Romeo. Good boy. Good boy, Rascal. And I edit like a whole summer video of the dogs with like a bunch of music. So I'll edit all this stuff for the summer adventures. Good boy, Rascal. This way, this way. This way. Romeo, this way. Good boy. He hasn't had the summer yet, but I want to. Have you camped? You haven't camped summer yet, have you? If you want to camp, so I'll camp with you. Look at you two. Rascal just well up all by himself. Where are you guys Stay over here. Oh, Rascal. Guys, stay over here. Taking a dip.
It's like she thinks that it's